Ready to transform your kitchen into a stunning, functional masterpiece? Discover the secrets to creating your dream kitchen. Join us as we reveal the essential elements of a successful kitchen renovation in just a few minutes. Hello everybody, welcome to HD Interiors. Welcome to our YouTube video on the most important elements of kitchen renovation. Whether you're planning a complete overhaul or a partial upgrade, understanding these key elements can make a significant difference in the functionality and aesthetics of your kitchen. In this video, we'll dive deep into the critical aspects that you should consider to ensure a successful kitchen renovation project. From optimizing the layout to choosing the right appliances and materials, we've got you covered with valuable insights and tips. So, let's get started and explore how you can transform your kitchen into a functional and beautiful space. The layout. Work triangle. When it comes to kitchen renovation, one of the fundamental elements to consider is the layout, often referred to as the work triangle. Imagine a triangle connecting the sink, stove, and refrigerator. This is where the majority of your kitchen tasks take place. Optimizing this layout is crucial because it can greatly impact your efficiency and comfort while working in the kitchen. By having these key elements strategically placed, you can minimize unnecessary movement and make cooking, cleaning, and food preparation much more convenient. For example, having the sink, stove, and refrigerator in close proximity can save you time and effort when you're cooking up a storm or simply grabbing a snack. So, when planning your kitchen renovation, remember to pay close attention to the layout and aim to create a functional work triangle that suits your needs and enhances your overall cooking experience. Appliances. Choosing the right appliances is key to a successful kitchen renovation. Modern appliances not only make your life easier but also add value to your kitchen. When selecting appliances, consider your cooking habits, lifestyle, and available space. For example, if you love baking, investing in a quality oven with convection capabilities can be a game changer. Additionally, energy-efficient appliances can help you save on utility bills in the long run while reducing your environmental footprint. Look for appliances with high Energy Star ratings to ensure efficiency. Another tip is to opt for appliances with a cohesive design aesthetic. Matching appliances can create a streamlined look and elevate the overall appearance of your kitchen. So, when planning your kitchen renovation, don't overlook the importance of choosing the right appliances. They can truly enhance your cooking experience and make your kitchen a joy to work in. Material selection, flooring/countertop. The materials you choose for your kitchen flooring and countertops can significantly impact both the functionality and aesthetics of your space. When it comes to flooring, consider options that are durable, easy to clean, and can withstand high foot traffic. Popular choices include ceramic tile, vinyl, hardwood, and laminate flooring, each offering unique benefits in terms of durability and style. For countertops, there's a wide range of materials to choose from, such as granite, quartz, marble, and butcher block. Factors like durability, maintenance, and visual appeal should guide your selection. For instance, granite countertops are known for their durability and timeless beauty, while quartz countertops offer low maintenance and a variety of color options. Ultimately, your material choices should align with your lifestyle, budget, and design preferences. By carefully selecting flooring and countertop materials, you can create a kitchen that not only looks stunning but also functions seamlessly for your daily needs. Aesthetic enhancements. While functionality is crucial, aesthetics play a significant role in creating a welcoming and visually appealing kitchen. Aesthetic enhancements encompass a range of elements, including paint colors, backsplash designs, and fixtures. Choosing the right paint colors can completely transform the look and feel of your kitchen. Lighter colors can make a small kitchen feel more spacious, while bold colors can add personality and create a focal point. Consider your overall color scheme and how different shades will complement each other. A stylish backsplash can also elevate the aesthetics of your kitchen. Whether you opt for classic subway tiles, mosaic patterns, or textured materials, the backsplash can add texture, color, and visual interest to the space. Additionally, upgrading fixtures such as faucets, cabinet handles, and lighting fixtures can add a touch of luxury and sophistication. Modern fixtures not only enhance aesthetics but also improve functionality and convenience. By paying attention to these aesthetic enhancements, you can create a kitchen that not only functions efficiently but also reflects your personal style and enhances the overall ambience of your home. The importance of storage in kitchen renovation. Effective storage solutions are essential for keeping your kitchen organized, clutter-free, and functional. When planning your renovation, consider the following storage options. 1. Cabinets. Invest in quality cabinets that maximize vertical space and offer adjustable shelves for customizable storage. Consider features like soft close hinges and drawer organizers for added convenience. 2. Drawers. Incorporate deep drawers for pots and pans, utensils, and small appliances. Drawer dividers can help keep items organized and easily accessible. 3. Pantry space. If space allows, create a dedicated pantry area with shelving, pull-out baskets, and a designated space for dry goods, canned items, and snacks. 4. Under cabinet storage. Utilize the space under cabinets with options like pull-out spice racks, hanging hooks for mugs or utensils, and sliding trays for easy access to pots and pans. 5. Kitchen island. If you have space for a kitchen island, consider incorporating storage options like cabinets, drawers, or open shelves to store frequently used items or display cookware. By optimizing storage in your kitchen renovation, you can create a functional and organized space that makes meal preparation and cooking a breeze. The importance of electrical, lighting, outlets, ventilation. Lighting is crucial for both functionality and ambience in the kitchen. Consider a layered lighting approach with task lighting over work areas like the sink, stove, and countertop, ambient lighting for overall illumination, and accent lighting to highlight architectural features or decor. Ensure an adequate number of electrical outlets throughout the kitchen for powering appliances, charging devices, and using small kitchen gadgets. Pop-up outlets on the kitchen island or peninsula can provide convenient access without disrupting the aesthetic. Proper ventilation is essential to remove cooking odors, moisture, and pollutants from the kitchen. Install a range hood or exhaust fan that vents outside to maintain a clean and healthy indoor environment. By addressing electrical needs, including lighting, outlets, and ventilation, you can create a functional, safe, and comfortable kitchen space that meets your cooking and lifestyle requirements. Let's discuss the final element of glamour in your kitchen renovation, which includes paint, backsplash, and fixtures. 1. Paint. The color scheme you choose for your kitchen can have a significant impact on its overall look and feel. Opt for colors that reflect your personal style and create the desired atmosphere. Soft neutrals like white, cream, or gray can give a timeless and elegant look, while bold colors like navy blue or emerald green can add a touch of drama and personality. Consider using paint to highlight architectural features or create an accent wall for added visual interest. 2. Backsplash. A well-chosen backsplash can enhance the aesthetic appeal of your kitchen while also serving a functional purpose by protecting your walls from splashes and stains. Explore different materials such as ceramic tile, glass mosaic, subway tile, or even natural stone to find a backsplash that complements your countertops and cabinetry. Don't be afraid to get creative with patterns, colors, and textures to make a statement and add character to your kitchen. 3. Fixtures. Upgrading fixtures like faucets, cabinet hardware, and lighting can add a touch of luxury and sophistication to your kitchen. Choose high-quality fixtures and finishes that complement your overall design theme, whether it's sleek and modern, rustic and farmhouse-inspired, or classic and traditional. Consider incorporating statement pieces like a stylish pendant light fixture over the island or a decorative faucet with unique detailing to elevate the look of your kitchen. By paying attention to these glamorous elements and incorporating them thoughtfully into your kitchen renovation, you can create a space that not only functions efficiently but also reflects your personality and style preferences, making it a beautiful and inviting hub of your home. In conclusion, a successful kitchen renovation involves careful consideration of several key elements. From optimizing the layout and selecting quality appliances to choosing durable materials, enhancing aesthetics, maximizing storage, addressing electrical needs, and adding a touch of glamour, each aspect plays a crucial role in creating a functional, beautiful, and enjoyable kitchen space. By prioritizing functionality, efficiency, and personal style, you can transform your kitchen into a hub of activity where cooking, dining, and gathering with loved ones becomes a delightful experience. Remember to plan thoroughly, seek professional advice when needed, and stay within your budget to achieve the kitchen of your dreams. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration for your own kitchen renovation project. If you enjoyed this content and found it helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with your friends and family who may benefit from it, and subscribing to HD Interiors channel for more home improvement tips and ideas. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the important elements of kitchen renovation. We look forward to seeing you in our future videos. Happy renovating!